Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset to your phone's Bluetooth. First, it is important to understand one key detail. The standard Cloud 3 wireless does not have built-in Bluetooth. This means you cannot connect it directly through your phone's Bluetooth settings like you would with regular wireless earbuds. Instead, this headset uses a USB-C wireless dongle to connect. Start by locating the USB-C dongle that came with your headset. Now take your phone and check the charging port. Most newer Android phones and iPhones 15 and newer models use a USB-C port. If your phone has a USB-C port, simply plug the dongle directly into your phone's charging port. Once you connect it, your phone should recognize the headset automatically. In most cases, the connection happens instantly without needing to open any settings. Now turn on your headset. After a few seconds, the audio from your phone should start playing through the headset. That means everything is connected properly. If your phone does not have a USB-C port, you will need an OTG adapter. This adapter allows you to connect USB devices to older phones. Plug the dongle into the OTG adapter, then connect the adapter to your phone. After that, follow the same steps and power on the headset. Now, there is also another version called the Cloud 3S. This model includes built-in Bluetooth. For that version, you can simply turn on Bluetooth on your phone, put the headset into pairing mode, and select it from the Bluetooth list. Thanks for watching.